Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 110. And yeah, we got our earnings last night in the S Group system. Zoom in right here. 0.43% was the trade yesterday. And on the money I've invested, I made 79.74, guys, yesterday for my earnings. Um, Looking at my investment here so far for the month. Doing really well, guys. As you see right now, I have $1,203.99. That's how much money I've made in the last 26 days that I've had my money invested in the system, as you see here. Excuse me, all on autopilot, guys. Just having my money invested in the Forex market, which is right here. I have $23,600.58. And on that money I've invested, I've made $1,203.99 in 26 days. So it's pretty exciting, though, guys. Today is Thursday, as you see. On the 13th, on Monday, which is in 4 more days, I will, as you see here, balance transfer data. So that means is that the money is going to be switched over to here at the top right here, guys. So that at that point, what's going to happen is that I'm going to have access to that money. So I can, yeah, basically do whatever I want. I can take the money out, I can reinvest it back in, which is kind of my goal. I eventually want to put the money back in the system, some of it anyways, and take the rest of it out to enjoy, you know what I mean? So other people have different goals and such, but that's kind of what I want to do. So yeah, guys, so if you're, searching YouTube and you're checking out these videos, I know there's a lot out there, but and you're not sure about S Group, you just kind of maybe heard about it or stumbling upon it. It's a way you can invest your money in various components of the company. For example, I have my money invested in Forex, so this is the breakdown of the Forex investment structure here. So if you invest anywhere from $100 to $499, you'll get 50% of the share. The company gets 50%. If you invest $500 to $14.99, you'll get 60%. They get 40%. And if you invest anywhere between $1,500 and $4,999, rather, you'll get 65% of the share, and the company will get 35%, and so on and so forth, as you see here, guys. So that's just a basic breakdown of how it works. You invest your money in the system, and then every day between Monday and Friday, you'll get earnings on that investment based on the trade percentage. Like, for example, yesterday was 0.43%. So they take all the money that you have invested times 0.43%, and then also times 0. Whatever percent you have invested in whatever tier you're at, and that's how much you'll get. Then the company will get the remainder. And so it's a win-win situation. You make money, they make money, company grows, you grow. And yeah, guys, as time goes on, you just keep on getting more and more money on the money you have invested. So it's definitely a beautiful thing. It's just like almost like having a job, guys, where you're just getting raises all the time, because your principal is going up, so meaning that your earnings will go up. So that's kind of how that all works. And yeah, guys, I mean, my email address is on the bottom link there. If you want to, the bottom description. If you want to send me an email, have any questions about anything, shoot me an email. I'll email you right back, and we can discuss Forex and S Group and how everything works. Yeah, I mean, other areas you can invest in if you want is S Pharmaceutical. They have different areas you can invest: production, extraction, sale, products, full cycle. It's just another area you can invest in. SIPO. This is another division of S Group. It's their collection of stocks that they do trading with. As you can see, you can go and check in the trading history once you're logged in. And whatever money you have, it's kind of like Forex. Whatever you have invested in is the earning percentage that you'll get. And Liquidity Mining is, yeah, their own token system that they have, guys. So yeah, you can go in and go ahead and invest in this as well. I think it's pretty much the same structure. they have their minimum investment, maximum investment. So you can go in and check that out, guys. If you click on the sign up link down below, you can sign up underneath me and join my team, and I'll more than happy walk you through all this, guys. And you've got to think about it in the future, guys. There's a great learning projection over a few years that you're just going to keep growing your account. You're just going to keep making more money. So, getting near the end of my 5-minute daily review video, guys. I just want to let you know about my earning update here. I'm going to be doing a reinvest and withdrawal on probably the 13th or the 14th when they release the money to me and I have access to it. Yeah, and don't forget to click on the subscribe link down below so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you can be informed of all the updates and such that's happening. And yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.